Ladies and Boy, thank you very much for your part. Ladies and gentlemen, sa kayo pagbagi ng pagkakabaga sa inyo lahat. Buong pasasalamat sa lahat ng atleta na naman ngayon. Patuloy kayo nagsisili ng ligi, patuloy kayo nagsisili ng matibay na ligi. Ang organisasyon ito ay isang pagpupunod ang mga batang matibay at sisipag atleta ay kailangan ay hindi. As they say, competition reveals character and tests mental fortitude. This is an opportunity for individuals to showcase their true character traits, such as resilience, perseverance, and determination. As architects, this perspective and ideas of view largely makes this platform for personal growth and self-discovery. Our UAP is truly fortunate to have dedicated hard-working team of national champion leaders, as well as our leaders for our UAP members. Our resiliency and collective passion to serve the cause greater than ourselves give we can offer our beloved profession and organization. May we embrace this story of service by the hearts and minds. We are doing this to inspire others, discover their potential, and encourage share what she has. It is an opportunity for us to come together as one strong UAP and to support one another. To our organizers, our architects here, Mas Didi, Del Rosso, and Mars, our organizing committee members, our national committee director, Raymar Adola, and our executive director, Oscar Alex. Of course, ang mga volunteers and everyone who worked tirelessly to make this event possible. Salamat sa dedication and hard work. Let the games begin, and may this event inspire us all to reach greater heights, both on and off the field. Thank you and good luck for everyone. Future progressive, one strong UAP, a more UAP, a more and
Thank you to our national president, Renato Marcanen. So, to have our first time event and to have some remarks, let's welcome our RGP Secretary right here, Bilal Johnson.
Hello, good morning, good morning. Although meron only, day tayo, again, napapasalamat ako na nakibot tayo lahat dito. In spite of everything, maraming salamat sa pagdalo. Next time, we will make this event bigger than today. Maraming salamat. Good morning!
First time event, our chairman will room the basketball court po yan. Yan no.
Kaya lang pare.
Alright. So before we start the program, let's have our old start machine by Brad Bisola.
is only second to the love of the game. I personally declare that each week is a friendly contest, not in the spirit of camaraderie and true friendship. To all these ideals, I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment. Welcome. All right, raise the
So,